Good day, sir. My name is Roxanne Madali from BSIT 4C. My topic is about behind logistic regression in Python. So, is one of its basic methods. By the end of this tutorial, you have learned about classification in general and the fundamentals of logistic regression in particular, as well as how to implement logistic regression in Python. Logistic regression is a fundamental classification technique. It's a relatively uncomplicated linear classifier. Despite its simplicity and popularity, there are cases, especially with highly complex model, where logistic regression doesn't work well. In such circumstances, you can use other classification techniques. First is k-nearest neighbors. So, the k-nearest neighbor algorithm, also known as KNN or is an is a non-parametric supervised learning classifier, which uses proximity to make classification or prediction about the grouping of an individual data point. Naive-Bayes classifiers. In statistics, naive-Bayes classifiers are a family of simple probabilistic classifiers about on applying Bayes' theorem with strong independence assumption between the future. Support vector machine are software-based learning models with associated learning algorithm that analyze data for classification and regression analysis. The decision trees is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like model of decision and their possible sequences, including chance, event, outcomes, resource, cost, and utility. Random forest is an ensemble learning method for classification, regression, and other tasks that operates by regression and other tasks that operate by constructing a multitude of decision trees at training time. And the last is neural network. Usually simple code neural networks or neural nets are computing systems inspired by the biological neural networks that constitute animal brain. Fortunately, there are several comprehensive Python libraries for machine learning that implement these techniques. For example, the package you've seen in action here, Scikit-learn, implements all of the above mentioned techniques with the exception of neural networks. For all these techniques, Scikit-learn offers suitable classes with method like neural networks, including deep neural networks, have become very popular for classification problems. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras offer suitable, performant, and powerful support for this kind of models. Conclusion. You know, you now know what logistic regression is and how you can implement it for classification with Python. You've used many open source packages, including NumPy to work with arrays and Matplotlib to visualize the result. You also use both scikit-learn and stat models to create, plot, evaluate, and apply models. Classification is among the most important areas of machine learning, and the logistic regression is one of its basic method. By the end of this tutorial, you have learned about classification in general and the fundamental of logistic regression, in particular, as well as how to implement logistic regression in Python. That's all. Thank you.